We are celebrating the Youth International Day, which is usually celebrated on the 12th of August every year. We started this journey last week on the 7th, and today we are here to commemorate the International Youth Day, which is the last day.
I'm Obando Tyson from Young Solidarity Foundation. I also take this opportunity for the maximum support we have received from the county government of Kisii in commemorating International Youth Week that we kicked off last week, which was on 7th. And today, as we conclude, bravo to the Department of Youth, Gender and Social Service, bravo to the county government of Kisii at large, and on behalf of the partners, we look forward for more partnership when in ideas of the youth. We look forward for more collaboration as we look forward to make the youth feel to be part and parcel of our today's society. In conclusion, as the youth, we are the voices of this country. Our tomorrow's leadership depends on our hands. So let's make appropriate decisions that will deliver our country to its optimum level. Thank you so much. God bless Kisii County Government, God bless Kenya, and God bless Africa.
Njasa Marieta Nguru kwa Ishmael Nyakoni, ndi manager ya Ajiri. Asitu abele tuku train ya usego empower basaya waito for the last 2 years. Nege ntugia tulete kenene nogo celebrate. Kuna abasaye na boigo koena na maoni itu torenga pamoja. Ni bintu tuwakolire. Tubuate kende boli tukwegokeri kose bado. Tubuate kende giatigire tutanyara ko batoko kala kuna abasaye so that kato wiko mwako ndichinga kibunechi. Etoka nenga tuwa make change kose tuwalete bintu binde biya biragera abasaye bande bagochicha elinde banyaka bakwegoke. Otherwise mbia mona sana. And to work ngambia mona singing abantu abange ba benefit ya singing program mbia mona.
We are grateful that we are also partnering with many other people of the same interest in the lives of young people to bring transformation to our country through our youths. We are so happy to be involved in the International Youth Day here in Kisii. The youths have learned a lot, and they have also been able to connect with many other people who are able to link them to job opportunities and many other opportunities which are available for them to be able to be the change makers of this nation.
Nimekuja kushow off talent yangu ku Gusii Stadium siku ya wanayuthi, na nimeweza kupata sponsorship ya kurekodi nyimbo zangu na ajira. I really thank them. Mostly utapata hata girls what they don't notice us. Na sijiona kama kuna rapa Mkisii msichana wako somewhere lakini hawajajulikana, but thanks to ajira wameni notice. I appreciate. Thank you.